Hey guys, so I think I found a way to run Skype as a native application on um, Apple M1 devices, um, at least the ones that run Mac OS. So here's my standard Skype that's running as an Intel application right here. This is the application that you typically get if you go over to Google and type in Skype download. Then you go over to the website and click Get Skype for Mac. Then you download it, install it, and it runs as an Intel app, right? So the thing about Skype is that it's basically a website that's packaged to look like a desktop application because it runs on Node.js. However, for some reason, Skype and also Microsoft Teams, they all run as Intel applications, right? So it's all Intel. Here's my Apple copy, but don't look at over here for now. Just focus on this. This is the desktop application that you download from the same website as you would download Skype from. But anyways, how do you run Skype as a native application? As you know, you also have web.skype.com, which is basically the website that you can use to access Skype. So if you would like to, uh, what you can do is you can package this website as a Chrome application. And Chrome, as you know, it runs natively uh, on the M1. So Google Chrome, as you can see here, it says Apple, right? So what you can do is you can create an application. You can package the web.skype.com website as an application. And every time you run it, it's going to run um, as a native application for your MacBook. Anyways, in order to do this, you go over to the website, you click on these three dots right here, and you click More Tools, and then Create Shortcut. Then you say Skype, and you also check this Open as Window thing because you would like to run it as a standalone application instead of having it open in your Chrome browser as a tab. Then you hit Create, and there you have your Skype running as a standalone application. And if you go over to your activity monitor window, you type in Skype. This is the Skype that I'm running as a web application. Okay, you can see right here that it says Apple. Okay, so it's running natively. And here's the Skype that you are running locally. I mean, as an application that you downloaded from this website right here. And you can also see the memory footprint. The Skype that we just packaged as an application for Chrome, it's actually using a lot less RAM than all this over here. So this is probably 1 GB of RAM. This is only 25 megabytes. Okay. You can do the same for Microsoft Teams because Microsoft Teams right here, if you once again go into your browser, type in download Teams, you're going to download the same application that is only for the Intel architecture right here. But you can go over to teams.microsoft.com, hit these three dots, more tools, create shortcut, do the same process that we did earlier for Skype, and you're going to have Teams running as a native application. So Microsoft Teams right here, as you can see, this is the Apple application. I've already packaged it as a Chrome application. And this is the stuff that you would download from the Teams website. This is running on the Intel architecture, right? And also the cool thing about this whole way to package these Chrome tabs as applications is the fact that you can find them through search, through Launchpad. So you type in Skype, and here it is. Here's your Skype available as an application that you can start from Launchpad. If you quit out of your Skype, you can easily find it over there again. there you have it. Skype running as a separate application. It's also going to be available in dock, and yeah. Maybe it's even possible to do the same thing in Safari if you're a Safari user. I mean, I don't use Safari, I use Chrome. But this is awesome, I think. This is pretty cool. And in my experience, it runs faster than the desktop app. It's a lot, like sometimes when I use the desktop app, when I click this emoji button, sometimes like things don't show. And also you have to constantly update the desktop application. Here, you don't have to update anything. Okay, it just loads the website every time you start it. So I think it's a lot cooler and a lot faster, hopefully. I'm not sure. I didn't do any performance testing, but yeah, just wanted to show you this cool trick to run Skype and Microsoft Teams natively and reduce your the memory footprint that they have.